Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Look, Troy. Do you want to take a ride in a real fire truck?
That's not a real fire truck. My big brother Gerben is a firefighter. And I can take a ride whenever I want.
Ah, an emergency!
Now Morphle can see what a real fire truck can do.
That sounds like a challenge.
We've got this, ma'am. Huh?
There you go. We brought your cat to safety.
There's a building on fire on the other side of the city.
We're faster.
Oh no, this fire is too big. We can't do this by ourselves.
Let's work together. Morphle, morph into a flying fire truck.
Wow! It's wonderful to have some help from a magic pet. Morphle, would you be interested in joining me at the fire department from now on?
Morphle no can. Morphle me la pet. You know, firefighter Gerben, I think I know the perfect magic pet for you. Aquily, help your new human companion.
Wow!
Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you need to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman! Look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening. Morphle, add rockets to the car.
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What? In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Morphle, morph into a real train. Let's go pick up Sarah in our train. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? Hi, Mila and Morphle. I was going to bring something very valuable to my uncle. That's cool! We could use Morphle the train to take you there. Yeah, that's a great idea.
hear that? Those valuable goods will soon belong to us, the Railroad Bandits.
Oh no, look! Morphle, morph the train tracks into a looping!
Mila, Morphle, and Sarah, I'm so happy to see you. Could you use this marvelous train to bring these penguins to their friends at the Dolphinarium for a visit?
Sure. Step aboard the train, penguins. Look!
Hi, Mila, Morphle, and Sarah. I'm on my way to see the big monster truck race.
Why don't you hop aboard? We will give you a ride.
Really? Thank you.
We're almost at your uncle's place, Sarah. I can't wait to give him this. It's very valuable.
Finally, the valuable goods are ours.
Uncle!
Hi, Sarah. You boys are coming with me. Not in my city.
What's that?
Oh, no! My livelihood caught on fire!
Morphle! Morph into a fire truck!
Oh, thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. I have no clue how that fire started.
What's that sound?
Oh, no! The cornfield caught on fire, too! It's popcorn everywhere! Oh! What on earth is causing all these fires?
Look! It's a dragon! It caught the flu and it's sneezing. Fire!
And it's heading for the city!
Uh-oh! After it, Morphle! to the hospital. Dr. Abraham, there's a sick dragon in the city.
Oh, no. Hey there, big fella. I've got some medicine for you.
Kids, a dolphin! How could a field trip to the ocean get any better than this?
Morphle, morph into a bus that can dive underwater.
Look over there. It's a school of fish. Oh, and over there, jellyfish. And a whale. And, well, hello, miss. No, wait, miss. Ah, a shark. We need to get out of here.
Move around it, Morphle.
Oh my! This place is dangerous. We should go back. Oh no! It's the sea giant.
Who are you calling a sea giant, you tiny little man? I am Neptune, king of the sea.
Hi, Neptune. We're on an underwater school trip. We were having a lot of fun until a shark showed up.
Oh, that guy? He's not so scary. But he's gone now. So let me help you by making this the best school trip ever.
Is that safe?
Safe as can be. Go ahead.
Okay, here I come.
Oh, thank you, Neptune, for making this trip the best.
Yes, unforgettable.
My pleasure. Come visit me anytime.
Bye now. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mila, Morphle! We need your help. My dad hurt his foot, and now he can't deliver any of his awards. Morphle, morph into a motorcycle.
Wait! You won this award! Come back!
Mila and Morphle are here to help, Daddy.
Great! Let's load up these awards and get moving.
Whoa! Morphle, you'll need to be something bigger for that. Morph into a dump truck.
Look, there's our first winner. You get the award for the cutest doggy dog.
You get the award for the best surfer. You get the award for the best mechanic.
But this says prettiest girl?
No, Morphle, that's wrong. Give him the award for the best mechanic.
No, that's okay. I'll keep this one.
You get the award for the best cloud monster.
But I'm the only cloud monster.
Thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. We handed out all my awards.
No, Daddy. There's still one more award to hand out. The award for Best Daddy.
Oh no, I'm late for the official start of the election of mayor.
Morphle, morph into a car.
Oh, thank you, Mila and Morphle.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Rashid, we can zap anyone into a deep sleep.
Huh?
And with the mayor asleep, no one can stop us from winning the elections.
Oh no, we are helping Mayor. I have an idea.
This chain of office will be given to the next mayor. And just like every year, the only candidate is the mayor. But where is he?
We will be the new mayors.
The mayor bandits. Get it, Stein?
When we become the new mayors, we promise free video games for everyone.
Wait!
Huh?
It's me, the mayor. When I become the new mayor again, I promise everyone gets ice cream!
You are running a great campaign, Mr. Mayor. Cleaner beaches are exactly what this city needs. Huh? What's that?
We will really clean up the beaches.
Oops.
Oops.
You need to help them more. I mean, Mr. Mayor. I'll help you. Let's set this thing to blowing.
Oh no.
Wow, that was amazing, Mr. Mayor. Wow, the mayor is planting more trees. This is exactly what the people want.
We will cut down his new trees.
Yeah, with these giant scissors.
More! Mayor! You need to stop them!
Wow, you saved us once again, Mr. Mayor. And the elections are this afternoon. The winner of the election and And the city's new mayor is... the mayor!